I'm Brian with Action Corrosion. We are going to show you a few clips today of testing the Rust Bucket product. We tested a piece of truck frame, and I'm going to show you a quick little video on treating it, kind of a before and after, and what your end result should be like. So enjoy the clip. We are now dipping a frame into the Rust Bucket. It will sit here for 24 hours. And we will check it tomorrow to see how it did. Now I'm going to apply Action Clear aerosol to this frame. Now Action Clear can be applied in liquid form with a brush, or it can be applied with an HVOP gun. But for convenience, sometimes the aerosol is the way to go. So what we're going to do today is just spray this frame rail down so you can see what the finish is going to be like. This frame rail has already been treated with Rust Bucket, been painted just to give it a very nice look, and now we're going to clear coat it to give it that beautiful finish. Although one coat looks fantastic, I want to go with 2 coats on this product just to give it that extra protection. What you want to do is you want to wait 15 minutes between coats. 15 minutes is completely dry to the touch. I can go ahead and put my second coat on. The automotive nozzle does a great job of getting the product on very evenly, and since it is self-leveling, the finish is going to be fantastic. Well, that was a nice short clip. We just wanted to do kind of a before and after, and feel free to leave us an opinion right here on our YouTube channel.